Hey, that's Mike and Holly, Alex, Eddie, and Chelsea.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Is it this one? Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. There it is, Boot. And now I lost it again. Oh, there it is. I keep losing it. So we just filmed a video using all these bottles, and now that we're done, Chelsea's been begging to crash them over. That's how you're doing it? I thought you would roll.
Slip and slide.
Yeah. I thought you would do like a steamroller. Here's the kicker. Now you gotta clean them all up.
Oh, come on.
I'm just teasing. I'll help. Oh, I think.
Oh yeah, it does.
Ooh,
My ears ringing
that's
now.
terrible.
Poor Ed, he hates it.
Oh, he doesn't seem to. He doesn't seem to notice it.
Threw it up there, and they're all everybody.
Whoa! Oh my gosh, that is terrible. Pixie.
She eating them?
She looked like she was gonna try to. Those are some of the ones that are doing really good. I think because they're getting a little more shady.
Because they haven't been potted yet.
They haven't been potted yet. Well, it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so I'm like, oh, I better get those. I needed more soil for these guys. They're doing really good though. And then I don't have a pot to put those in, but
You could put it in my fern pot. He's
Well,
dead.
yeah. Oh, well,
There
I
we
think
go. He's inside.
he's inside. Okay, you're easy to care for, Fern. I Googled it to find out what we were doing wrong because I'm like, this is not easy to care for, it's dead. And in Googling, I discovered that it's in fact very finicky. And like, yeah, we did everything wrong. Ooh, I felt a raindrop. Getting ready already. I thought it wasn't supposed to rain till tomorrow.
I haven't felt nothing.
Oh, I had one right on my neck unless something else.
Well, there's,
there's clouds.
bird poop on the side of the house. Quite a few spots.
Look up, there's clouds. There's no birds.
Well, oh, yep. I just got pelted in the head.
So I was out on the deck potting the rest of my flowers. Not the rest, because I still have some I need to pot. But I finally finished everything I was doing. Went to sit down on the patio chair. Pixel was all sprawled out, relaxed. As soon as my butt hit that cushion, big raindrops started falling. And not just like a little bit, like pretty frequent. I was like, oh, come on. I wanted to enjoy the patio.
What's gonna happen though?
I mean,
it started sprinkling. I'm like, I'm going in. That's over.
because you got like one sprinkle on you.
No, because I know it's gonna come.
Yeah.
It's just a few, and then there's
it's
more,
headed.
and then next thing you know, it's a downpour.
Yeah, and we're supposed to get quite a bit of rain, I think, tomorrow, but I wanted to get those flowers into that pot so that they could like absorb all that moisture. They were drying out pretty quickly, but I took everything out so that it could get water. They always like do really, really well right after rainwater. They just kind of like take off and like flourish. So I could water them all day long and they'll do all right. But you know, as soon as you add that rainwater and stuff to them, it just makes a huge difference. So Pixie actually bailed before I did. She came, like, I felt like
She wanted to come bug me, that's why.
no, you were in the office. I felt like one raindrop, she got up and came inside, and then the raindrops started coming. So she like knows, she has the sense
Doggy sense.
yep, to know when the rain's coming. So Michael is getting ready to make Chelsea's,
The donuts.
Time to make the donuts.
what? What is that?
That might have missed your age.
Old fogey? Is that something
Time
old
to make the
fogey?
donuts, Dunkin' Donuts.
No,
Used to be kind of a chubby little guy, a thick mustache. And it
chubby
was
little.
like, time to make the donuts. I think it was
No.
Dunkin' Donuts.
Never heard of that. Well, I might have heard of it, but never.
You have to YouTube it.
Michael is making Chelsea's granola bars that she likes to have for breakfast. She has, I know.
Right in front.
No, that's her ploy to get your attention. She does that to me anytime, all the time. So what I was gonna mention is, Chelsea has a granola square with her breakfast, one of the things that she has. So Michael makes her these granola bars with coconut oil.
Okay,
Check that out. Have you noticed?
No, I haven't made this in weeks.
Look at it.
Ooh, why is it like it?
Because it's hot. Don't you remember our coconut oil in Florida was always liquid? It is
No, 'cause
liquid.
I never used it much when we were in
Spoon it
Florida.
out so we can see it. Well, maybe don't stick your nose in it.
Oh my gosh.
No, you're gonna need to stir it up a little. It is liquefied because
Well, actually,
it's been.
that's good because that's much easier to work that way. Usually
So-
it is solid hard.
Down
I
in
have to
Florida.
Scrape and scrape.
Yeah, because of the heat and the humidity, it was always liquefied. Unless it was freezing cold in the house, which hardly ever happened. Here, it's been solid. Like you have to scrape it out to get it out of the thing.
Like I can't even. What could you even compare that to?
Wax?
Thicker than wax, frozen wax.
Oh, I don't know about
You really
that.
have to.
I would
I've
compare
scraped
it to
hard
wax.
enough. I've busted my knuckles on the side
On
here.
the lid.
Scrape it.
Well, this is a lot easier then, but you do need to mix it up. I went in to get some the other day because sometimes I'll give some to Pixel and her food, and it really helps with her coat. It makes her coat.
What was
that? It makes her coat like really thick and shiny, which I mean it is anyway, but it makes it even more so. And I noticed it was like pure liquid. What? What do you mean black?
Got a dog here, a kid here.
Dog,
You're vlogging
kid,
at least, so you're
vlog.
doing something.
I have a
Dog
purpose.
here.
Oh my gosh, the whole family is right in this
We've got 1,800
4
square
foot.
foot, but we're like all right here.
Right here. It's gotten so warm in the house that now our coconut oil is
Wow.
oily. They're waiting for it, Daddy.
There's nothing they can't have. Well, they can have coconut oil. They can't have honey, right? They can't have.
Oh gosh.
chocolate.
No,
'Cause
can't
there's
have
chocolate chips
chocolate.
that go in
They
this.
could probably have some oats, but like I don't know how much they would enjoy that. Just waiting for something to fall, aren't you?
Don't think she knows that yet. I think she's just
Wanting the
there.
attention, wanting to be in the way.
Him now, he knows.
He knows.
He knows stuff falls. If I hang around here where there's stuff going on, things will hit the floor.
Yeah. She heard me open the drawer earlier and came running though. So it's like if somebody's in the kitchen, I better get in there and see what's going on.
She knows if you're chopping stuff too.
Because when I chop her, I chop her
knows
carrots up
that,
and
yeah.
her squash. So I regularly give her chopped up carrots, and so she knows when I'm chopping, she's probably gonna get something.
If I chop stuff for dinner, she comes running.
Yeah. Michael says, "Come get the dogs out of the kitchen so I can cook in peace." And then he starts feeding her as if I'm gonna be able to get her to leave now because she's gonna get something.
Am I gonna show my age here now too?
What?
Who wants some oats?
Hello, I'm Mr. Ed.
Yep, because I don't know what that is. Oh, maybe.
What's the horse? I can't
Mr.
remember.
Ed?
Mr. Ed.
No, yeah.
Mr. Ed.
Mr. Ed.
Who wants some oats?
Oh my gosh, these guys are so spoiled.
Ed, you're just.
It's his overbite. Is it his overbite? You made him drop it
a
off?
few and then hit my hand.
Oh,
it's
jeez.
Brain.
Oh,
Here,
the old
you can have the
man.
rest of those. I
Aw.
don't know what
I said, well, now I'm not going to be able to get him out of here because they're going to think that you're going to feed him more. My goodness. Oh, yep, she's going right over to clean up his mess. Here, I'll help you with that. No problem. So he moves faster. You better hurry, Ed, before she comes back.